Low fuel levels. Search for nearby gas stations. Okay. Where's the okay button? Okay. Costco, no. Chevron. Oh, fantastic. Set single destination.
The route is being calculated. Please make a U-turn in 300.
I kind of can't make a U-turn. How about one in the direction I'm going?
Now make a U-turn.
Any other cars we currently have in our award-winning lot? Come see us in El Cajon or visit us online at
Keep left in a quarter of a mile onto I-8 and then keep right.
At goautocity.com. Directions to Auto City, El Cajon.
Please repeat.
Directions to Auto City, El Cajon, California.
This source is not voice controllable. The following sources are voice controllable. Navigation, phone, radio, or media.
Navigation. Directions.
Tradiciones únicas.
Please keep right onto
Yo!
8 west toward beaches.
Cancel navigation.
Are you sure you want to cancel route guidance?
Yes.
Canceling route guidance.
Auto City, El Cajon, California.
Please repeat.
Auto City, El Cajon, California.
Which navigation functions do you want help with? Enter address. Route guidance. POI.
Enter.
Map.
Enter
All
address.
navigation function.
Enter address.
Possible commands are: enter address, enter zip code, enter city, enter street, enter house number,
Enter
enter
address.
intersection, enter state,
En-
or stop.
Enter address.
Please say the house number, the street, and the city.
400 North Johnson Avenue, El Cajon, California.
Please wait.
Okay, I can wait.
City name is ambiguous. Please repeat.
Okay. You and we're gonna have to figure
Please
something.
select one of the display line numbers.
No! Enter address. Enter city street. Enter address. Enter city street. Enter city street.
Please say the house number, the street, and the city.
400 North Johnson Avenue,
Please say California. City name.
California. El
Please select a line number. Number 3 accepted. Do you want to enter?
Not California City.
Please say the house number, the street, and the city.
400 North Johnson Avenue.
Please wait. City name is ambiguous. Please select a line number. Pause function activated. Please select a line number. Please say California. City name. Please select a line number. This function is only possible with disk, USB or iPod. Please say California. City name.
El Cajon. El Cajon, California. El Cajon. El Cajon.
Please wait. Name is ambiguous.
Dude, you don't know where El Cajon is?
Please select a line number.
Neither.
Please repeat.
No.
Possible commands are: number 1 to 7. Continue. Back. Pause. Correction.
Back.
Or spell.
Spell.
Please spell the city.
E-L-C-A.
Continue.
Thank you. God. That
Number
one.
2 accepted.
Yeah, El Cajon.
Do you want to enter a street?
Yes.
Please say El Cajon. Street name.
Oh, you say El Cajon, right?
Please select a line number or say continue. Please say the name of the street again.
Johnson Avenue.
Please select a line number.
Back, back, back.
For better accuracy, please spell the street name.
Johnsson.
Please select a line number or say continue. Number 2 accepted.
Johnson freaking Avenue. How hard is that?
Do you want to enter a house number or do you want to start route guidance?
Enter house number.
Please say the house number.
400. 400.
House number 4-3 unavailable. Do you want to select another house number or do you want to start route guidance?
Select another house number. I said 400.
Please repeat.
400. This thing's fucking ridiculous.
Possible commands are: select another, enter intersection, set waypoint, or start route guidance.
Select a number. Back. I mean, I'm gonna get there by the time she figures it out. Okay, you just want me to punch it in? All right. 4. Dude, this is really hard to do while driving. I don't know how you people do this shit. Not 440. Nope. Okay, you know what? Let's go to 440 North Johnson Avenue. It's close enough. Yeah.
Please follow the highway.
It's got to be right across the street.